everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make country balls on FlipaClip. So let's start. First, you're going to press this plus button, then you're going to put up a project name. Name this anything you want. I'm going to name it Country Balls 2023. Okay, now you're going to change frames per second to 12 or 15. I'm going to do 12. I do 15 on most of my videos. We're going to do 12 today. So, you're going to press create project. Then, it looks like an empty project. So, let me show you how. So, you're going to press these 3 dots. You're going to press add image. You're going to press photo library or files. Press photo libraries. Okay, now we need to pick a flag. Pick any flag. I'll pick the United States of America flag. Okay, next. You need to get this eraser, then turn this from 50% to up to 0%. Okay, now let's start creating the country ball. First, we are going to do this. Okay, there. Now we have to put the outline. The outline most country balls you do outline. You can put outline if you want, but you should do outline. So you're gonna turn this to 50%. You go just press layer 1. Okay. This will take a while. It will look like this. You're gonna. Okay, this one is the shadow. Okay. Third, we are going to put the eyes. Okay. We are almost done it. Okay, that's the first eye. We have to turn it smaller. Wait. Turn it smaller and then do this. Then you're going to put it here, and then you copy it and paste it. Our country ball is ready. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Bye.